showing you how to clean underneath your washing machine and tumble dryer, or obviously if you've just got a washing machine, then underneath your washing machine. If you've just got a tumble dryer, just underneath your tumble dryer. I don't know why you'd only have a tumble dryer though, because it's pointless, because you're going to put soaking wet washing in there if you're washing it in your sink. So, first things first, what you need to do is, on a weekly basis, I will pull out my tumble dryer and washing machine, and I'm going to show you why. I've left these for about 2 or 3 weeks now. It's been tough, but I've done it for the sake of you guys. And you watch what's underneath my washing machines and tumble dryers from not pulling those out weekly. I'm going to show you how to clean underneath them and on top of them and around them. So here's the video.
First, you need to pull out your tumble dryer and washing machine. You can now see the dirt that has been left underneath them. I'm going to be using my Vorwerk Kobold today with the mop pads. These are the different pads you can get. They're universal, hard floor, soft floor, and a dry pad. There's 2 cleaners. One's a universal cleaner and one's for wood floor. Today we're going to be using the universal cleaner for my tiles. Pour the universal cleaner into the pot provided and fill it up to the top with water. Once it's on, you squeeze it up to the maximum water level. Then distribute it on the pad that you're going to be using. I'm now going to attach the pads to the base of the vacuum that I'm going to be using. This will then hoover and mop my floor at the same time. If you don't have one of these vacuums, you can always use your own vacuum and a mop. Remove your hoover attachment from your vacuum and place it on the mop attachment. You can adjust the handle height at the top. Now we're good to go. It's ready to hoover and mop at the same time. You'll be able to see the difference from left to right of the dirt that it's picking up. And like I say, it's hoovering at the same time as well, so it cuts down your workload. Just finishing its Torval and Dean routine. It's like dancing on ice here. Nearly done. Now we're on to cleaning the tumble dryer or washing machine. For this I use Wonder Wipes. These are a builder's wipe. You can get them in most DIY stores. They're really, really good and they cut through grease and grime like a charm. Wipe over the top of your machines. And do the same on the sides as well. And there you have it. your machines are clean, under your machines are clean, and you are living the dream again, my friends. You can see here from the mop attachments how dirty the one is compared to the one that hasn't been used yet. So this is why I do it weekly as opposed to monthly. Thanks for watching my vlog. I hope it's helped those that have been asking about my vacuum and those that have been asking about how to clean underneath and around your washing machines and tumble dryers. I'll be back again next week, this time with a beauty vlog. See you all soon. Bye.